The left lifting arm is continuously falling off because of the threads for the nut that is supposed to hold the arm on the bolt is completely worn out. Today I'm using a nail to hold it in place, and that don't really work. Today I will drill a hole in it and put a ring pin. And please hit the subscribe button, that would help me a lot. Thank you. To remove the lifting arm, I pull out the pin for the side stabilization, and then I loose the lift cylinder, and then it is just to pull the arm out. When everything removed, I can reach in there to drill a hole for the pin. I start with punching a mark where I should drill. I will put a washer on and measure so I get it in the right place. After punching the mark, it's just to drill. I start drilling with a 4mm drill bit. Normally I would use some kind of coolant, but I run out of drill oil, so today we dry drill. When I drill through, I will change to a 8.2mm drill bit because the pin is 8mm. It's always a lot easier if you have pre-drilled like this before. And then I will test that the pin works and it fits perfectly. This should be a lot stronger than a nail. And now it's just to reassemble everything in the opposite order of taking it off. So I start with a side support. Then I hang the lifting arm up on the bolt, and then it's just to put back the lifting arm from the top. If I can find the bolt and the pin. I have now run with this setup for a couple of days, and it looks out like it's holding perfect. No problems at all. And actually an advantage with not using the bolt is it's very quick to change and remove the arms if I want to. Like when I use my timber trailer, these arms sometimes are in the way. The most difficult thing on this whole exercise was to get the small pin, locking pin, back on the bolt on this arm, because it is squeezed in between the side support and the lifting arm. And that's all, folks. Bye.